Welcome to my Zoho Marketing Automation Tool Review, Usage Experience. Zoho Marketing Automation is a comprehensive tool designed for businesses of all sizes to streamline and optimize their marketing efforts. It offers a wide range of features, such as email marketing, social media automation, lead management, and analytics. With an intuitive interface, it caters to marketers looking to enhance their customer engagement, automate repetitive tasks, and drive more conversions. One of the standout features of Zoho Marketing Automation is its email campaign builder. It allows users to create targeted email sequences based on customer behavior, demographics, and interaction history, which leads to more personalized, effective campaigns. The platform also integrates seamlessly with other Zoho apps, such as Zoho CRM, which ensures a smooth workflow and enhanced data sharing across your sales and marketing teams. For businesses looking to nurture leads, Zoho's lead scoring and nurturing tools are invaluable, helping you identify high-potential leads and prioritize them. Social media marketing is another area where Zoho excels. It offers tools for scheduling posts, tracking social media engagement, and running campaigns directly from the platform. The social media analytics feature helps track the performance of campaigns across multiple platforms, allowing you to fine-tune your strategy based on real-time data. Zoho Marketing Automation also shines in its robust analytics and reporting. From detailed campaign reports to customer journey insights, the platform provides all the data you need to understand your marketing performance and optimize for better results. The drag-and automation workflows are incredibly user-friendly, making it easy to set up complex marketing automation sequences without any coding knowledge. This is perfect for marketers who want to scale their operations without the need for a dedicated technical team. Overall, Zoho Marketing Automation is an excellent choice for small to medium-sized businesses that want to take their marketing to the next level. It combines ease of use, a powerful set of tools, and the flexibility needed to support growing marketing needs. Whether you're focused on email marketing, lead generation, or social media, Zoho offers a unified solution to drive growth and increase ROI.